Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mona, and today I am joined by Nigerian-American journalist Chika Oduah, who has been living in Africa since 2012 and has been on her loc journey for the past 14 years. So today we are going to be discussing symbolism and misconceptions of locs in Nigeria. You're welcome to the show, Chika.
Thank you so much, Mona. Happy to be here.
Same here. So glad that you honored my invitation. So, Chika, tracing down to your roots in Africa, do your locks tell anything about your personality?
Well, not really about my personality, but definitely about my views and how I see myself. So for me, having a locks is a way to honor my heritage as a Black woman, as an African woman, definitely.
Beautiful. Okay, so moving from the US and you decided to relocate to Africa, coming down to Africa, what are the most awkward reactions and perceptions you've gotten from people simply because you have locks?
It varies from different regions. In Southern Africa, I find people are more receptive and they appreciate locks. But in Nigeria, where I'm from, I found that the reactions were not always complimentary. Some people didn't understand them, and some people associated them with like negative spirituality, mysticism, especially things related to the water spirituality. And some people were quite afraid of them. Also, some people think that maybe I don't wash my hair. So there's a lot of misinformation out there. And I feel like my role as someone who proudly wears her sister locks is to try to teach people and to steer their minds towards something more positive. And that's what I try to do.
Oh, very insightful. Thank you so much, Chika Oduah. I had a great time with you on today's episode on my channel. Thank you so much for your time.
And thank you once again.
Bye for now.
Bye.